Hi, I'm Lindsay Francis, and this is about discussion board number 4, how I use universal design for learning principles to help make 3 lessons for my learner growth activity student. When I was planning these lessons, what I looked at was the upcoming unit for our class. So we will be working on comparing numbers, and then I compared that with the goals that I set out for my student at the beginning when we did our pretest data. What I noticed from her was that she'll need a lot of help with developing vocabulary, social vocabulary, and content area vocabulary. And she also needs help with just speaking in complete sentences. So I tried to integrate that through the lessons that I will be teaching in my class. And I looked at what we have in our curriculum and just kind of added more opportunities and made myself more aware of spots where I could really encourage um, growth from her in this area, how I could better support her vocabulary development, and how I could model speaking and answering in complete sentences. When I was thinking about universal design for learning, I think that's something I naturally do pretty well in first grade just because the kids do need to see things in many ways and they need to have their activities changed up often because their attention span is very short. As far as representation and engagement goes, I have different opportunities in these lessons for kids to do oral counting. We're going to watch counting videos, use place value blocks to build numbers. I've got instructional videos, which are different than the counting ones. They're not as sing-songy. Um, Kids will use partner talk. We'll do some whole group instruction, some small group work too. So I think that'll really help the kids see things in different ways. And then for them to demonstrate their learning, their expression, um, there's opportunities for them to do talking to a partner to show their answers or explain their thinking. They can answer out in class when I call on them to answer questions. We'll do like, show me the number of tens on your fingers, or show me the digit in the ones place on your fingers, or we'll do thumbs up or thumbs down for yes, no kind of things. So they really do have a lot of opportunities for that. And we'll also do some building with the place value blocks to show numbers and some worksheets and exit tickets as well. And as far as engagement, I think just all of those different things really help the kids stay engaged because we have to change it up often. Like I mentioned, their attention spans being so short. Also, we'll work on some problems like independently and then solve them together as a class so students can check their work. And I think that will help sustain their interest and make them feel successful as well. Thanks for listening.